Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with something a little different. My daughter and I, we went to walk around the mall for a little bit just to get a little normalcy in our life. Anyway, we walked into Spencer's and they were having a sale and it was 75% off of these mystery key figures, and I love Hocus Pocus. So they were like $1 something, I don't know. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them in the collection, and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So I'm just gonna see what we got, and look, they were regular $8. So I got a pretty good deal. But yeah, so let's open up and see what we got. Yeah, so of course I'm hoping for Winifred, Sarah, and Mary. Binx. Yeah, I want them all. Let's see what we got. We got Binx. Yes. So there he is. There. Focus. There he is. And all of his cuteness. So we got Binx. That was our first one. Oh, we got one of the sisters. We got Sarah. Yes, girl. So 2 for 2. Oh, did you? Yeah. So 2 for 2. Another one. We got Winifred. Yes. 3 for 3. 3. Oh, we might have a duplicate one here. We didn't get any of the mystery ones yet. Yep, we got a duplicate. So we did get another Binx. But it's okay. He's cute. Okay, last one. Oh, and we got the other sis. Oh, no, this is the little girl, yeah? What's her name? Dani? Dani. Oh, so these are the ones that we got out of our mystery bags. And like I said, the collection. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, hope you guys are having a crafty day. This is just a little something different. And yeah, I know Hocus Pocus is out right now. They've started streaming it for the upcoming holiday in a few months. So hope you guys are having a great day. And until my next video, like and subscribe and find more videos here. Shakas.